Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be letting you know about the top 5 Minecraft maps you've probably forgotten about. Number 5, Survival Island. This was released in 2010. On this one you spawn on a tiny resource-starved island with just one tree. There's a bit of sugarcane but barely any dirt, and the rules were simple back then. Don't leave the island and don't use mods. It was popularized by Yogscast in early 2011, and it became one of the most iconic challenge maps ever. Number 4, Shadow of Israfel. This was a continuation of Survival Island by the Yogscast. It turned Minecraft into a full-on story-driven experience. This was at a time where YouTube was filled with cinematic storytelling in Minecraft. Number 3, The Temple of Notch. Created in 2011. It's one of the most iconic builds in history. In this one, you offer an item to a giant stone face of Notch, and you're either rewarded with treasure or dropped to your death, and it's still remembered as one of the original maps. Number 2, The Dropper. Released in 2012 and introduced a genius concept: fall through a level while avoiding obstacles. There were 16 creative levels and it became incredibly addictive. It helped the rise of the actual minigame servers. Number 1, Classic Skyblock. This took Survival Island and made it even more brutal. You start on a tiny floating island in the void with minimal resources and a single chest. If you make one mistake, like mess up your cobblestone generator, it's game over. It became massively popular on YouTube and helped launch loads of creators' careers. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.